I want to talk about this water dental flosser for kids from COSLUS. Ordered this for my son, and we're going to unbox it today and see what's inside. To start, you have the main body of the unit. We have some fun stickers. You can put them on the unit if you like, or use them somewhere else. I'm sure my son will love those. Next, we have some pretty comprehensive instructions for setup and use. And additionally, we have a wide variety of different applicators that can be used with this. And lastly, we have the USB charging cable. I think my son's really going to like this. If you'd like to try this out, please click on the link in the description below.